And I'm about to show y'all what the hell this house look like when it ain't been cleaned up for 2 damn months. Okay? Oh my gosh, what is that? What's up and welcome back, TG and Baby Nation. If you are new here, go to hit that subscribe button right now to join the family, because I'm telling you, you don't want to miss what's coming up. So hit that subscribe button right now to join the family. Turn on the post notification bells so that you never missed a banger that we drop. I would say we on the road, y'all, but we ain't posted for like maybe a week, going on 2 weeks. But I missed y'all. Camera back up and ready. Y'all see all of this stuff? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This look bad. So you guys, the house ain't been cleaned up for about 2 days now. But today I got a little something different for you guys. I know I've been getting a lot of requests on my Reborn doll lately, so I was thinking that I would do a Reborn maintenance with you guys after I'm finished straightening up, cleaning up. There goes Santana. Been requesting seeing her. Yeah. Hi. A lot of people been requesting this, so I'm gonna do a Reborn maintenance on her. Santana right here. I still got a lot of cleaning to do. But without further ado, let's get to work.
Yeah.
So here, cleaning up his room, y'all. And I went ahead and switched him from this side of the bed, sleeping to this side of the bed at night when he sleep, because I don't know if the draft was coming from the window, you guys. But all I know is he kept waking up with a runny nose. Wow, the heat is on like 80 at night. So yeah, so he cleaned up his room now. And look at the snow outside.
How does he know?
It has officially came down.
How does he know? Whoa, now outside.
Yeah, it's snowing out. Those are all clean clothes, but I have to reorganize these bins and baskets right here so I can put those inside of there. But I'm gonna handle that in a minute. There she go. I got the cover out for her, but I still have to get the let me see. So this is her boppy, which, you know, this is her boppy. Everything has to literally be kind of white that she lays on, or she has to be wrapped in white colored. So that's her boppy I got sitting right here for her to take a bath. I was still trying to figure out whether I want to give her a bath up here in the sink or downstairs in the sink and let y'all see a little better. I don't know. I'm still trying to debate. But while I'm doing that, he done cleaned up his room. He made up his bed. A for efforts. Yeah, so okay. His room is all good. So I used Dove on her because it don't shed paint on her skin, and then a baby towel, because it's just like taking care of a baby. If you rub her too hard, or you know, rub her for too long or something, that paint start coming off her skin.
Yeah.
And you see the pigments, like the red in her skin. We want to keep that there. So it's just like taking care of a real baby. If you leave her sitting for too long, she'll develop these dark spots on her skin or whatever. You gotta wash or her skin would become discolorated if she has too many or laying on dark things or has dark clothes on. So TG and Baby Nation, upstairs is pretty much done. I cleaned everything up here. Everything is good. A for effort for Santana making this bed. Bobby's still out. In order for me to wash her, I decided I'm gonna wash her downstairs in the sink. So I have to head downstairs to actually do the dishes first, and then I'll be good with putting her in the sink. So in order for me to wash her up and do her maintenance, I have to clean all of these dishes. So that's what I'm just doing right now. Getting these dishes clean so I could use the sink, because I feel like down here is better lighting. So I want to do it down here. Alright, y'all, so all of these dishes is done. I just got that bucket over there so I could do her little maintenance in the sink down here where it's better lighting at. I do have a ring light, but I don't feel like setting it up. Yes, these pots are clean and they just sitting there on the stove. Yeah, I just cleaned out the sink with soap. He in here all over the place. Got in here all squared away, clean. Alright, y'all, so now that I'm done with that, now I gotta do is pick out a little outfit or something. And I need one of these diapers. She put fit in the newborn diapers. And I already had some from when I was pregnant a minute ago, so there we go. Let's see. I'm trying to find something to wrap her in. Here go. It's not white, but it's white on one side, and that's all that matters. So I'm gonna take this and probably wrap her in it to wash her in. So we got that. I would say probably the hardest part for me in this is picking out her clothes. Not this. See, this she can't fit because this is 0 to 3 months, and like I said, I had this from when I was pregnant a while ago. If you guys don't know or are new to our channel, we recently lost a baby that we was 6 months along with. So with that being said, I still have like little cute outfits and stuff from that. So I just basically use them on her. But hardest part for me is probably picking out the clothes, because like I said, it has to be like white, like an original white color, because if you see, like, hold on, see something like this that's dark in the inside wouldn't necessarily work. It'll rub off on her skin, the dark colors, and then it'll stain her skin. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about, how I learned that I can't put dark colors on her. So like I said, I thought I would bring out this one because Dejan is always tripping on the other one for some reason, y'all. So I'm gonna see how you do with this one in the middle of the floor. Let's put a white crib sheet down, because like I said, color then it's down, don't mix. And I'm about to show you what I mean by putting her on dark colors, laying her on dark colors, or anything can mess up her skin. Hold on. We do got the cute little outfits picked out right here. I'm going between one or two. I'm not sure yet which one I want to go with. We got the cute little socks. White socks, because, you know, like I said, you guys, color messes her up. This is what I'm going to wrap her in when I give her a bath. But we got the diaper and all that stuff. Could sit over there. Anyways, time to... Alright. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about when I say her color, like the color of her messes up. I need this to put back on her. Let's see. You could even see it a little bit in the hands. So her hands, you could even see it in a little bit of her hands. They're discolorated. You see the dark? That's from putting her on dark clothes or laying her on dark covers or whatever, you take her, if you take her pacify her mouth, she can suck her thumb and all that good stuff. I did forget to show you guys her little toes, and this is why, oh sorry you guys, and this is why I had to start putting on her on just pure socks, because if you see, look at the discoloration in her toes. It's dark from wearing dark socks and dark clothes or sitting on stuff without a white cover. So her foot is a little discolorated too. There we go. Like I said, I'm thinking about sending her back in to get repainted or whatever, but I will see. Alright, just I got her all wrapped up in the blanket. I gotta go in here and fetch her the towel and the soap. The towel and the soap. Then I'm head downstairs to wash her up. Basically, y'all, I'm just looking for like a lukewarm water. I don't want it too hot to the point where it melt off her paint, but I don't want it too cold to the point where it discolorates her skin. So I'm just looking for like a lukewarm temperature water. Lukewarm, like, you know, like, or like room temperature water, lukewarm water. First thing I do is I take her little feet seeds out the blanket, sit her up here. You don't want to put her whole body in there because her whole body is not made for the water. You'll lather it up in the soap. Alright, soapy towel. Then you will wash her feet off. And you want to get her feet because her feet is really discolorated. So you want to get her feet in there nice and wet and all that. Wipe those off. And the thing about it is, so after you wipe those off, you want to dry them off. Dry your feet off, dry your legs off, because if not, some of the paint might just go off. Yeah, so then her ears, get in there. You don't want no dirt to build up in there either. Let it out. Let it out. Yeah. Her head. Okay. I'll make sure all the soap is off. Dry her up a little bit on her head. And then that's pretty much how I wash her, you guys. I don't know. I never showed anybody the maintenance that it takes, one of these dolls takes. But I feel like everybody think that, you know, it's just a regular doll. So this is not a regular doll. It's actually a Reborn. They actually make them for people. I got mine after I had went through a miscarriage. I had got this doll, so you want to wash her tummy too, dude. Tummy don't never discolorate, but just a quick wash and a quick rinse. So I got her diaper. I got her diaper on now. Got her little, look at her little fat rolls, y'all. Look at little chunky fat rolls. And the detail in her feet is just phenomenal. The detail in her feet. Let me see if I can zoom in. Okay. So the detailing in her feet is phenomenal. Like when I say phenomenal, I mean phenomenal. Anyways, enough of that, you guys. I know that everybody like cute little baby toes. Here you go. Discoloration, and I kind of don't want her to discolorate any more than she already has. So I'm just gonna put her on the full body outfit, if that makes sense. I usually leave her so I believe nothing could be open and showing, but then there you go. Just put her shirt on. There you go. Put her shirt on like that. We got this other arm. We got this other arm over here. Gee. We got this other arm. Pull this from underneath. You know, like you put clothes on her baby, guys. Like, I got her on this outfit, putting it on right now. I'm covering her skin all the way, like, I mean, when I say all the way to, I mean like from the hands to the feet to the yeet, yeet, yeet. So, there's go. And that is my Reborn maintenance routine, y'all. I don't know why y'all requested that video, but that's my newborn maintenance routine. And just leave her sitting here. Or sometimes I might pick her up. Like when I get fever, I miss the fact that, you know, I had a baby on the way and just pick her up. She weighs the same as a real baby, like literally weighs the same as a newborn. Everything that she's wearing right now is size newborn. If you're wondering where I got this outfit from, it was from Walmart, but I don't think this shirt did not come with this as a set. I bought it separately. So I got this from Walmart. And if you want to know where I got this carrier from, I think I also got it from Walmart. It's a pack and play, and this was attached as something that you could put on and take off. So that's where I got it from, is Walmart. Snack time! Snack time! Isn't that right?
Snack time.
Alright, so you guys, I know y'all remember when we went grocery shopping. I think it was a restock vlog. If y'all ain't seen the restock vlog, go ahead and watch that after this. But
I got cookies.
you got cookie. I got a Twinkie, y'all. Look at this Twinkie. Let's taste. Let me see your lunchie.
I got pizza.
Let me see. So Doom got this pizza lunch book for lunch.
Yeah, baby.
He is now eating his lunchable. Right?
I need.
Oh, you need help?
Yeah.
I help you.
Okay.
So I like to give him a little bit of independence, which means I'm going to try to let him make his pizza today by himself, even with the sauce. So let's see what he does. Okay. Okay. All right. Now move it around with your finger.
Okay. No. No.
Now wait, rub it on there with your finger. Like that.
Oh, I did that.
Yeah, do it. All right, now put cheese and stuff on there. And then it's all ready to eat.
I need to.
Yeah, why would you do that?
I don't know.
Come on, finish eating first.
Okay.
Now he making him little lunchy.
It's gonna be super good.
It's gonna be super good.
Yeah.
Wow, I can't wait to taste it.
Yeah. I can taste the other. Okay, mommy.
Good job.
It's eating now.
Yep, eat it now.
It should be super good.
It'll be super good. Good job. So I'm back with this organizer right here. As y'all know, I think last time I showed y'all me doing his little organizer and stuff. So I'm about to get this done, and I'm not going to show y'all this time because I showed y'all last time. And if you don't know what video that is, I think it was, I don't know, but I'll link it right up here. But I'm about to do this right quick, and then I'll get back to y'all in a second. Okay, finally done. Got the out shirts and stuff in there. These are all in the house clothes. We got the pants and sweatshirts down here. And that's about it. Top shelf. I gotta restack the diapers right quick. Restack the wipes. And I already restacked the socks in there. So, yeah. I'm so tired, y'all. I've been running around all day trying to do everything that I've been showing y'all, plus more. Oh, C's still in here. Going to sleeping. What you eating? Nummy nums.
Fries.
Is that? Ketchup or whatever.